Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I want to do a review on the Action Hat. It's basically a GoPro. It's got a GoPro attachment. You can put a GoPro or action camera on it. This is my GoPro Hero 8 with my Ulanzi side so that I can actually run a charging port on one side. But this, we actually went and tried this out, and we'll show you some footage of how this thing works. Now, mind you, I have a big head, and there's not a lot of hats that'll fit me. This Richardson 112s, it's my Pine Life hats. They fit really good. This Action Cam hat has a floating piece in it. You can mount, you can flip it, and it's got 3 positions you can put this camera. You can take this insert out and flip it and put your camera on top, or you can wire your hat backwards and put it in the back. So it will hold the weight of a camera and the hat, and supposed to float. I did not test it because I didn't have my waterproof case with me, but I did get some footage of this. So y'all stay tuned, and I'm going to show you some of the stuff that the GoPro captured with just the Action Hat alone, and we'll get to it.
Hey, Shellcracker, he was hungry. He was hungry. Ah, got me. Go ahead, honey. I'll let you get in there. Get in there where I got that. Boy, White Nire had some power to him. Look at this. Look at that rod bent. What in the world is it? It's a Shellcracker. Oh, bang. Yeah, it's been there a while. Oh, baby. God dang, you pulling some hogs, them good ones out. Good job, honey. You barely lipped him. Huh?
It's a nice one.
There you go, baby. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah, fat Shellcracker. I hope a fish hits that, because coming around them lily pads ain't gonna be easy. He ran for the lily pads too. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Shell cracker with a lily pad.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. As you can see, the camera is just flawless. As far as the picture and stuff, the hat worked really good. It was not uncomfortable. I was on the water over an hour and a half. Actually, I wore this before on one of the fishing trips, and the camera had actually went dead. So I ended up wearing the hat the whole time with the action camera just to see, and that's 3.5 hours. It was not uncomfortable. It fit good. The hat don't look bad. I was very, very pleased. I would recommend anybody that's going to go fishing or do anything where their hands has got to be free, I would recommend this action hat. I have not tried one of the cheaper ones. I went straight with this one because it had such good reviews, and I'd give it a 9 out of 10. And I'm telling you, this is a very good deal for your GoPros, especially for fishing. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, God bless. We'll catch you on the next video. See ya.